All right, guys, let's do a quick tour around dotloop. Okay, so when you first log into dotloop, this is what you'll see. These are all of my existing loops already. So you can see that all of my loops are here. If you moved over from another brokerage or team, or you've been paying for your own dotloop, all of your loops will transition with you when you come to our dotloop page. So if you're brand new to dotloop, we're just going to show you the real basics of where to find everything and what to do. So first things first is you're going to add a new loop. It's going to ask you for the property address. Okay? And we're going to continue. Next, you're going to pick whether it's a buying loop or a listing loop. So are you helping clients buy a home or are you listing a client's home? You'll see once that you've gone through, you can upload a picture of the house if you have one. It will give you a really simple outline of the documents that most buyer loops need, right? You can go ahead and archive these if you don't ending up need them when the loop is done, but these first couple are in every single loop. So first things first is you're going to find your buyer broker, your real estate purchase contract, addendum, and then the receipt and acknowledgement of buyer due diligence. And then down here at the bottom there are some couple others that you may or may not need for your real estate transaction. We're going to go through really quick what you need to do in every loop to set you up for success from the start. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to come in and you're going to press View Details. Give this a quick update. So you're going to select if it's a purchase, which it is because it's a buying loop. Select the status. So maybe right now we're just writing offers, right? We're not under contract yet. You can use the property address. We're going to use the custom name. And then I'm the admin here. We'll say whatever you are. And then we're going to go ahead and add in the property address. This maybe seems like overkill, but the reason why we're going to have you go in and do this, and actually is required when you go to submit your loops when you go under contract, is it helps us link each file to the correct home when we go to pay you at the end of every deal. So you're going to go ahead and put in the property address, and you're just going to put in the price of the home. Okay? If you want to add in the contract dates, offer dates, things like that, you can totally do that, but that's all that's required for every loop. So you'll come up here and you'll press Save. After you've saved, you'll go back to the loop, and the next thing that you need to do is go in and add all of your people. Because this is mine, it's just showing mine. The admin from McClary Real Estate Premier will actually automatically be added to every single loop that you open. Because we are the admin, we'll have access to all of your files. And then, of course, you would be here as well, you the agent. The next people you're going to add are going to be your clients, your loan officer, your title officer, and then, once you go under contract, the agent for the other side. So you can share loops back and forth that way. So the reason you add all your people here is it makes it really easy. Let's just add me here as an example. It makes it really easy to share these things back and forth when you have them in here. So you are going to press Add to My Team if you want to be able to share all of these files within the loop to these people. So the people that you're going to add to your team again are going to be your lender, your title officer, your transaction coordinator, and then anyone that's working on the file with you. Let's say you have a co-agent. Let's say you always add your team lead to everything. Those are the people that you're going to add to your team. And then as a member of the team, you have to assign them a role. So what are they? Are they another buying agent? Are they an appraiser, an attorney? Whatever that instance may be, right? I'm just going to put me here as an admin. Okay? And then save. So I've now been added to this loop. Because I've been added to this loop, you can share, and this is where it comes in contact with maybe your loan officer. You can share these directly to your people, right? You can say, here's the updated contract. Now, what I like to do, especially with our partners who are in real estate, a lot of other realtors use dotloop, but come here and press Attach PDF to Email. That way, along with the email, there'll be a PDF attachment at the bottom of the email with all of the documents. You'll see share. These documents have been shared waiting on others. So when you go share for someone to send, the waiting on others means you're waiting for them to open it and send it. But for right now, you just sent it with me to view. You can press done. If you needed to open a document that wasn't in the templates when you first opened a loop, you could come over here to add document. You would browse the templates if it's a regular template from the Utah Real Estate contracts, and those are in the UAR interactive forms. You can search their forms, and these are all of the legal forms for Utah that are from the UAR. Or you could upload one from your computer. Let's say they sent you the updated Rep C, right? And you saved it to your computer. You could do it right here. Another really cool feature from dotloop is you can actually also add from email. So again, let's say the other side sent you back an updated form or sent you back a signed form. You can actually press email, copy this code to your clipboard, and then in your email, you could, I don't have any forms open right now, but you could find the email that has the document that you want in it, paste this code as who you're sending it to, and press send, and it'll actually send whatever files or documents are in that email and add it directly to your loop. So that's a quick tour around dotloop. There's a lot more details and things we can go into, but that's a good place to get started. We'll see you in the next video.